friend Sunny Badwa. Welcome to Machine Tool Design Community again. Today in this video, I am planning to discuss problem faced by me during wire cutting die elements. See friends, in my initial part of my career was into as a design engineer. So I used to design my press tools, and then I used to release the drawings to the production or also the drawing outside company. So I was not aware of the manufacturing problems faced by the machine operator or the machine tool manufacturer. But then when I started my own company, and then I started designing and started manufacturing in-house, then I got to know that what are the design errors which are faced by the machine. So the first experience I will share is my experience during the wire cutting of the die, pressed die. See, once I was doing one press die for automobile seat. It was a piercing tool, okay, progressive tool. Basically, it was a progressive tool with 72 holes. So now I have got 72 punch and 72 holes, that is cutting holes in the die. So what process I followed? What I did is, first I will discuss first my process which got wrong, okay. So first what I did is, I took raw material according to the die size, then I pre-machined it with the help of milling, that is making right angle and maintaining the original size. Then I did surface grinding of that die, and then when I got the perfect shape, what I did is, I did wire entry holes. So you have to give at least 2 to 3 mm wire entry holes so that the wire cut machine can pass the wire through and then start a wire cutting process. Then here, which is the 5th and 6th element, what I did is, I sent that plate to wire cutting, and afterwards when I got a wire cutting of that 72 holes, I then sent it for hardening, and then I did my grinding. Now guys, what wrong I did here is, when I sent wire cutting before hardening, what happened is, the wire cutting was in 10 microns. So when it went to hardening, what happened is, the PCD, the pitch center distance or the center distance holes of all the holes got distorted, and even because of hardening process, the holes which were supposed to round, they got ovals. And then what I had to do, this die was a big die, that is 450 by 450 mm by 100 mm. So what I did is, all I have to do is, I didn't understand it when I was assembling, but when I put it on the press, the punch and the die didn't match, and then what I have to do is just scrap down this whole process and start with a new process. What I did is, I just scrapped down this all. So now this took my time, this took my efforts, and this took my money. Then what I did is, I took again new raw material, did all the process again, like pre-machining, surface grinding, wire entry holes, and at this moment what I did is, I sent the die after all wire entry holes to hardening. So whatever changes in the raw material has to be took place in this place, and then I again did surface grinding, because when you do hardening process, the steel surface gets very bad or distorted. Then I did surface grinding. Okay, here I just add one more thing. Before hardening, while pre-machining, I kept a surface grinding allowance of 0.1 mm, so that when after hardening, I can again surface grind it to 0.1 mm and get the desired surface grinding finish. And the last operation what I did is wire cutting, so that you get the perfect PCD in approximately 10 microns or 20 microns. So you will get a perfect shape of the die when you assemble this from punch holder to die. The punch will be properly aligned. So all the 72 holes were properly aligned. So this mistake, I learned from this mistake was the wire cutting processes. You have to take this process very crucial and design according to that. Second, one more feedback I will discuss today is there was one die which was having lot of holes. So what I did is, while designing this die, I took this as 35 mm extra from all sides. What I did here is I took very less material after the holes, and this made me a problem because when it went to wire cut, the wire cut guy don't have a space to clamp the plate. So he was not able to clamp the plate on the wire cut machine bed, and this made him a problem. So what he has to do is he has to attach some extra plate to that wire cutting hole, and then what he has to do is and then do wire cutting for that plate. So remember guys, give some space so that the wire cutting guy can clamp it, have some space to clamp the die, because he also has to do your dowel holes here. He has to also do the dowel holes, so he needs a space to clamp, or he needs to Okay guys, so this was what I thought that these are the problems faced by me, and that went wrong while doing a lot of dies. So please remember, and if you have also faced some kind of problem while design to manufacturing, so always feel free to discuss with me in description or by personal email or anything. And also, if you have any problem faced by press tool design, I will try to solve your queries if they are in my knowledge. And lot of time, like while designing, we stuck that how should we go ahead. So you can also post that thing to me. I will try to solve your problems if they are in my level of knowledge. Also guys, if you like my video, please subscribe, press subscribe button, so that whenever I release new video for press tool concept, you will get notified for that. Okay guys, thank you. Have a great design ahead.